Now I'm going to show you how to install MT1128 for GMC Acadia. As you see, let's say that this part is already removed by press. So in the same way that were removed by press, in the same way that we want to install it, you can use a little bit some kind of grease to make the installation smooth. Okay, you can put a grease around the part. Okay, once you put a little bit grease, make sure this part is already, it has to be aligned with the holes. I guess you will know about it. So you can just align this part here, and we're going to proceed to let me show you a little bit closer. Okay, once you already put the part, make sure, like I said, making sure this part is already aligned, you just proceed to make a press, and we're going to push to make this part is going to be installed easily. See, it goes like I said, this is very easy and simple to install. Once it's already almost touching the part inside, you can just remove this part, and see, almost there. You have to use another kind of piece to push more deeper. And I'm going to proceed to and that's where suppose the round has to be. Once you push in the right position, just remove the tools that you were used, and that's it. As you can see, parts are already installed. This is very simple, very easy. Okay, repeat, this MT1128 for GMC Acadia and other applications.